welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Vivian. I do all kinds of videos on beauty, fashion, hauls, vlogs, lifestyle videos, all sorts of things. So if you like that kind of stuff, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. Okay, so today is Trunk Club. I'm so excited. I love Trunk Club. It's just so fun. You can hit my referral link below in the description box, and then you can find out all about Trunk Club, what it costs, what it's all about. So if you hit the link, you'll get all the info. I'm gonna go ahead and read the note from my stylist. Hi Vivian, I included a variety of fun and trendy pieces for you to wear out and about on your trip to San Fran. If you guys didn't catch my Stitch Fix video, we are going to San Francisco in about a month, and so I'm really excited about the trip. I've never been there, and I did ask my Stitch Fix stylist and my Trunk Club stylist to send me some pieces for San Fran, so they both did that. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on the premium denim coming from someone who only wears high-waisted pants and jeans. The Citizens of Humanity pair are life-changing. They are an investment piece, but definitely worth it. Before shipping out your trunk, I reviewed your feedback, added a few more pieces for you to try. I also included some outfit recommendations, incorporating some of your previously purchased accessories. Feel free to reach out to me when your trunk arrives. Looking forward to hearing how everything works. Your stylist, Emily. So I think Emily does an awesome job. At the end of each video, I will write in what I decided to keep and what I paid. Also, in the description box below, I will link all the items, put all the item description, prices if I can, all that kind of stuff. If I can find the item, I will link it. If I can't find the item, I will try and link something similar. Already started to do some of the linking and looking up some of the items, and I have been able to find a couple items cheaper, and I've been able to find a couple items that are similar, that are still super cute and more affordable. So definitely don't forget to hit the description box so you don't miss out on that stuff. I have 12 items in this trunk, so it was a really big trunk, really excited. The first item is a cold shoulder ruffle stretch crepe top by Cece in small in the color white, and it is this top right here. Kind of hard sometimes to see with the white. A little bit complicated to put on. I am so about like comfort and ease and throwing stuff on and not have to fidget and worry about it. This one requires a little bit of putting together. The top is $79. I think it's overpriced for what it is, but of course, leave me your comment below. Let me know what you guys think of each item. But here it is. It's got a little bit of a, ruffled top right there. The sleeve on the side, it's cute. Very nice detail. I like that it's flowy. I know I probably wouldn't wear this in San Francisco. I think the weather is pretty unpredictable there. It's a little bit cold right now. I just don't think I would wear this. And for $79, this is more like a $30 or $40 top in my opinion. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of how it looks. The second item on the list is the Whisper Ditzy Off the Shoulder Halter Top by Vince Camuto, size small in the color white. Super soft. I love the print. Just a very feminine print. I like the fabric. I think it's got cute detail. Here is that. Really comfortable. Once I had it on, I liked it. The tie front right here. So yeah, I think really cute. I don't know. I think it might be a little young for me, and I hate to put myself like in a box like that. But because spring is supposed to be kind of more whimsical and fun, and right now flower print is in, this off the shoulder stuff is in, cold shoulder is in, all that kind of stuff. Feminine is very much in. This would probably be cute with some white jeans. I don't know. I'd probably wear it. The price on this is $89. I just think it's just too pricey. These tops that are pretty trendy for me, 30, 40 bucks maybe. I just get sick of clothes really quickly, so to spend $90 on a top like this, I just don't know. I don't think I will do it, but it is cute and it's flowy and comfortable and really soft. So let me know what you guys think on that. Okay, item number 3 is the Gazelle Sneaker by Adidas, and they have it in the color white, size 6.5. So obviously these run big because I normally wear a size 7. They have it as a color white. Unless white has changed, these are not white. They are definitely a lilac, pink, blush, whatever you want to call it, color. So they're a super cute shoe. I just know I would probably very much limit myself and only wear this with like white, black, or gray, just because they're kind of that lilac color. So they are pretty comfortable, a little stiff, you know, especially probably for walking long distances. It's probably one of those shoes that you really have to kind of like break in a little bit. I remember wearing these in the 90s, frankly. I think they're coming back in style. The Gazelle sneakers are $89.95, so not bad for a good Adidas sneaker. Okay, number 4, we are at the ripped high waist slim boyfriend jeans by Madewell. Okay, so it's these jeans right here, and they kind of have a little bit of the whiskering right here up in front, and just some, you know, very mild distressing on the knee, not anything major. And then we've got the kind of the unfinished hem, just a little faded here. They kind of do a little bit of a kick flare in my opinion, but these high rise I love. A little bit on the fence just because of the price. The price on these are $135, so definitely also, in my opinion, a bit of an investment piece, but I'm leaning more towards high-waisted jeans these days, so I think I would get a ton of use out of these. I think they're really cool. I think they look really cute. Let me know if any of you have some Madewell jeans or these jeans in particular, and if you like them. Okay, the next item is the Jcrew high-rise toothpick jean in a size 27, and this is the Solana wash, and the price on these is $115. And they're just very simple, no distressing, little bit here in terms of like a whitewash a little bit, but nothing major. I think they're still, you know, pretty much a dark wash jean. I think these are great, like all purpose. They are a little bit stretchy, which again, I like. I think these are a really good all purpose jean. I don't know if I really need another dark wash. I just recently got a pair from Cut From The Cloth. They're not as high-waisted as these, so I mean, I think that the high rise on these is actually better. Next item is the Knot Front shirt by Lush in a size small in the color white. And it's this shirt right here. I love this shirt. I think it is feminine. I think it's pretty. I think I would use it quite a bit. It's got the little bit of the high-low. I think it'd be so cute with high-waisted denim. I am trying it on here with some high-waisted. So let me know what you guys think of this top. I think it's super cute. The price on this is $45. So pretty much right in line where I think it should be. But I think the quality is very good. These are real pockets right here. Not that I would ever use them, but they are really cute. And just a real feminine, fun top. I think it would be great for layering, even in the summer. So, and on cool nights. So I think it's really cute. Just super simple. I've tried other knot front tops on that haven't been as cute as this that I have not kept, so I do not really have any tops like this. So let me know what you guys think of this style. Margarita Sportivo French Cherry Sweatshirt by Splendid in a size small. And this one, oh, I love it. I know you wouldn't think so just by looking at it. It's got this color blocking. It says it's in the color red, so it's the primary color is red, but we've got some navy sleeves here. There's the back, just kind of follows the same color pattern. Got like a crew neck top here. It is so comfortable and just kind of a statement piece. You know, you could wear it with dark wash, light wash jeans, whatever, white jeans in the summer. I think you could wear it now, obviously in the spring, because it is a little bit heavier, but it's not too heavy, where you could probably still wear it like on a, you know, cool summer night or whatnot. I think the color is really fun for spring, very in colors right now. The unfortunate part of this sweatshirt is that it's by Splendid, so you know it's not cheap. The price is $128 for the sweatshirt. I think it's a little pricey, but let me tell you, it is like butter. It's so cute, I think, and just really helps you bring out some color in your wardrobe. So if you're into that and you're okay with the price, I think this is a really, really, really cute sweatshirt. But more than likely I'll probably pass on it, but we'll see at the end of the video. Got a casual utility jacket by Draper James in a size 4 in the color khaki. And that is this jacket right here. It is so cute. I love the inside. Just again, super feminine pieces. I really like the pieces that Emily has picked out for me. Just simple. Here's the back. Just really cute. I think this would be cute even to wear at the office. I think this would be cute on a cool evening in the summer. Now in spring as a layering piece, really cute. And this is $98, so not bad. The only thing is it is a little bit on the stiff side. It's not the most comfortable for me. Nowadays, my #1 rule is comfort. So that's pretty much one of the only reasons, other than the fact that I do have like another khaki like 3/4 length blazer that I don't even wear that often. So I feel like this isn't really necessary for me, but it's super cute. I'm really tempted just because of the sleeve. I think it's super nice. Different. Again, I don't really have anything like this in my wardrobe. You know, kind of gives like an ode to the peacoat style. So I think it's just really feminine and pretty. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of that. Thing is the cold shoulder sweatshirt by Pam and Gila in a size small in the color white. And speaking of expensive sweatshirts, whew, here we go. We got a cold shoulder here and not cold shoulder on this side. So a little strange, but I can get over that. Then we've got the stripe down the middle here and then nothing in the back. Just simple. And then we've got opening here with like a tie on each side. So it's got a lot going on, which at first I was pretty turned off by it. Then I put it on and I thought it looked really cute. And then I looked at the price. The price on this is $175. Oh. So this is a no. I think that I could find probably other sweatshirts similar that are not so expensive. Now I will give it though the fact that the Pam and Gila brand is expensive. It is a little bit higher end, a little bit more designer. But at the end of the day, it's a sweatshirt. So I just don't think it's necessarily worth it, but I think it is cute. So let me know if you guys think that's worth the price. Okay, the next thing is the Carly high waist skinny jeans by Citizens of Humanity in the ozone rinse in a size 27. It is these life changers right here. These are awesome. I think they're a little tight. They have a little bit of stretch, which is kind of nice. So that helps you be a little bit forgiving. They are super long, so I don't know if I would have them tailored, or if I would just wear them like this, or you know, like a double cuff or whatnot. Not quite sure. I think I could get away with pretty much wearing it however you want. I like that it's got the seam detail here, so you could actually, I think, get away with wearing it like that and it would be cute. Again, I don't know that they're worth the price of $187. Just a little bit more than I want to spend right now on a pair of jeans. 100, 120 maybe, but just almost $200 right now. I really can't justify that for a pair of, you know, just simple dark wash jeans. Although they're high-waisted, which I want. Maybe at a later point. I'm not quite sure. So let me know what you guys think of that price. Okay, the next thing is the Presto Fly sneaker by Nike in the size 7, and it's in the color sand or desert sand. That is these sneakers are right here. I am in love with these sneakers. The only problem is I'm a little bit on the fence because they have kind of a high arch and it's a little bit funky on my foot. But when I first put these on, oh my gosh, they are true comfort. If you have a high arch, these are for you, no question. They are probably one of the most comfortable pairs of sneakers I have ever put on my feet. So that's why I'm debating a little bit, because they're 99% comfortable, and then you've got this one little spot in here that's just a little high for the way my foot is. My feet are weird. But I love these. I want a pair of just neutral beige. If you guys have been watching my channel, you probably know. I mean, I've been asking for something like this for like a year. And these are it, but I'm not 100%. And again, my biggest number one rule is to be comfortable. And these are almost there. Just that, I don't know if it's something that my foot could just get used to it. It doesn't hurt or anything. But if you guys have this shoe, please comment below so that we all know your true opinion on it. I would love to know. Again, these are the Nike Presto Fly sneaker in sand, and these are $100. So I think the price is okay. It's a typical sneaker price for Nike. I don't want to spend $100 and then have them sit in my closet. So. And then last but not least is the Despina Strappy Sandal by Jeffrey Campbell in a size 7 in the color taupe suede. It is these beauties right here. So much pretty detail. I mean, just a gorgeous shoe. I really, really like these. My feet tend to slide out the front a little bit too much, so I don't know that I would keep them for that reason. And I have other taupe sandals. Nothing this cute, mind you. I think these are really, really, really cute. I love the detail. This type of like a wooden rounded, kind of like a black heel is very much in style right now. They're not uncomfortable, but they're not like super comfortable either. You know, they're kind of like that in between. The price on these is $124.95. So maybe a little bit higher than I like to pay for something like this. It's pretty trendy. They're really cute. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, that is all the items in my trunk club. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. If you guys like these kind of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well. I think Emily did a great job in trying to get me some really cute, fun pieces for spring, some travel items, some comfy shoes for San Francisco. Yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video to see what I decided to keep. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.